Hi, let's continue creating this vector graphic. I'm going to ungroup it because I grouped it before that, and select this one here, go to edit, duplicate, remove the stroke, apply a fill of a black color, move this over here for now, and I'll duplicate it, change the color. I'll make this a little bit bigger and position it. Then I'll hold down the shift key and select this one. Go to path, difference. Then I'll change the color to white and reduce the opacity. And I'm going to move this over here. Position it. And we are pretty much done with this one. Now here I've created two more. The only difference is that I changed the colors of the base and the two gradients, linear gradients, on the right bottom and on the left top. And here I'm going to grab the create rectangles and squares to create a white rectangle, position it in the middle, Control D to duplicate it, select the black color, reduce the opacity, linear gradient, let's adjust the gradient here. Basically I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the play button. Now with the select and transform tool, Control D to duplicate this, increase the opacity so we get this black color, send it down, and I'm going to increase the blur here. Maybe a little bit more. Now I'll make sure this one is on the top. And I'll select these and position them. Let's see how this looks from far. Maybe we can scale down this one a little bit. Something like this. Now let's move to the other one. Here I'm going to create another rectangle, change the color to white, Control D to duplicate it, place it over here holding down the Control key, select them both and position them. Now I'm going to need to group them first if I want to align them in the middle. Again, I'll select them, duplicate them, again black color, reduce the opacity, linear gradient, and I'm going to adjust it. From now on, I'm basically repeating all the process, and if you want to see the final result, you can go to the Facebook page, link is in the description, you can see it there. Let's group this, scale it down a little bit, position it. Let's see how they look from far. They look pretty good. So that's it for this tutorial. Only this part needs to be on top, and bye for now.